everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create or update Brevo contact for Typeform submissions. Let's suppose I am running an event management company and I am taking all the registrations with the help of Typeform. Now I want that as soon as the person submits the form, the details are automatically sent to Brevo and the contact is created automatically. In case there is a need of change or update in the details, the form is submitted and it is sent to Brevo and the contact is updated automatically. I can do this with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skill. I just need to build connection between Typeform and Brevo. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is triggers and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take Typeform where the new form submission will be made, and in my action application I will take Brevo where the contact will be created or updated automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Brevo contact on Typeform submission. For this, we are going to create automation between Brevo and Typeform with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, we want to create a new workflow for which we need to click on create workflow. And now it's asking for the workflow name. So let's name this as how to create or update Brevo contact for Typeform submission. And now I need to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So these are the folders that I have created and I want to select all automations and click on create. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, we want to create contact in Brevo on Typeform submission, which means as soon as the form submission will be made, contact will be created in Brevo. So as soon as the form submission will be made, this workflow will get triggered, so our trigger application will be Typeform. And our trigger event will be new entry. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Connect with Typeform. And here I have already logged in my Typeform account and that's why it's just asking for the permissions for which I need to click on accept. Authorization successful. So Typeform is connected with Pabbly Connect and next we need to enter this detail. So it's asking me for the form. Here I need to give the form in which I'll be taking all the registrations. So let me take you to my Typeform account. This is my Typeform account and this is the form that I have created by the name new contact form. If you want to create a new form, you just need to click on create a new form and you can create your own form. So now let's open this form by the name new contact form and it has all these content. First name, last name, phone number, email address. So let's go back to Pabbly and from here we need to select the form. So the name of the form was new contact form and now simply click on save and send test request. Over here you can see waiting for the webhook response, which means we need to fill the form so as to get the response over here. So let's go back to Typeform and over here click on share. Now we need to copy this link and open it in a new tab. So now we need to fill the form for which my first name is Smart. My last name is user. My phone number is and my email address is user@pablitudes.com. Click on submit. So we have successfully submitted the form, and let's go back to Pabbly and check whether we have received this response or not. So over here you can see we have successfully received the response. The first name was Smart, the last name was User, phone number was this, and email address was user@pablitudes.com. So Pabbly Connect is successfully connected with Typeform. And now we need to move to our next step, which is action step. And over here we need to create Brevo contact on Typeform submission. So our action application will be Brevo. And our action event as create or update contact. Simply click on connect. Click on add new connection. And now it's asking us to enter these details, which is domain and API key. So let's read over here. Enter your domain here. So let's open our Brevo account. So this is my Brevo account, and over here you can see domain. Simply copy it and paste it over here. Next we need to enter API key. So it's written over here. Enter the API key here. Copy your v3 API key from the SMTP and API page of your Brevo account. So let's click this hyperlink given over here. And SMTP and API has opened in front of us, and here we need to generate API key, for which we need to click on generate a new API key. And here it's asking name your API key. So let's name this as and click on generate. So our API key has been generated, and we just need to copy this and paste it over here. Simply click on save. And we have connected Brevo with Pabbly Connect. Next we need to enter these details. So here it's asking me for the email, and I am going to enter email with the help of mapping, which means I am going to enter the data from my previous step. So I have received the data in my Typeform submission. So I'll simply click over here, click on Typeform, and map the email address over from here, which is user@pablitudes.com. So mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make it static, and the information will not change even if the new response is received. And next we need to enter the list in which we wanted to create contact. So over here we are receiving submission from Typeform. So over here Typeform leads will be our list. And now we need to map the last name and the first name. So over from here, my last name was User and my first name was Smart. Next I simply need to click on save and send test request. And over here we can see we have received the response. So let's open our Brevo account and check whether this contact has been created or not. This is the app dashboard of Brevo, and over here you need to click on contacts. Click on list. And then click on Typeform leads. So over here you can see we have successfully created this contact by the name Smart User. The first name is Smart, the last name is User. So our contact is created successfully. And next, let's say now that I want to update my first name from Smart to Dummy. So what we will do now, let's go to our Typeform again and copy this form link, paste it on a new tab, and fill the form again. So my first name is now Dummy. My last name is User. My phone number is, and my email address is user@pablitudes.com. Click on submit. So we have successfully submitted the form, and now let's open the Brevo account and check whether this contact has been updated or not. Let's refresh the page once. And over here you can see Smart User has been now updated to Dummy User. The first name is Smart, the last name is User. Over here you can see all the contact details. The email address was user@pablitudes.com. First name was Dummy, last name was User. So to summarize this, we took Typeform as a trigger application, where we took trigger event as new entry and made connection of Pabbly Connect with Typeform. After which we selected the form in which we want to take all the registrations. We fill the form and receive the response over here. After which we selected our action application as Brevo, where we selected action event as create or update contact, made connection of Brevo with Pabbly Connect, and entered these details with the help of mapping. After which we simply clicked on save and send test request and received the new contact in our Brevo. So we have successfully created automation between Typeform and Brevo with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.